Hello, Jennifer from Asterandanne here, and I am super excited because later this year in September I will be teaching at Bernina Academy, and I'm so excited to show you as well what we will be doing. So one of the classes is where we will be embellishing one of our book cover / project cover bags. We are going to take this and turn it into this. And so this one, we're going to learn a few different techniques, and we're going to have fun experimenting with a bunch of different threads, as well as doing the stenciling and all of that kind of stuff. So there's the back, and on the inside, we can have a play around with personalizing the inside of our book cover / project cover. So that's one of the classes. And the other one is we are going to embellish one of our backpacks. This is our Amalia Back Pack. And again, we're going to have a lot of fun decorating. And this one I call Runaway Hexagons. So we're going to have some fun with some hexagons on the side. On the front. And we're going to pop some on the side. We're also going to be doing the stenciling in the background. And we're going to be playing with some different threads, and we've got quite a few things in here that we are going to learn. So come and join me for either or both of these classes where you can learn all about these techniques, and we will have such a lot of fun. So hope to see you there. To book, you need to go to berninaacademy.com.au. And that is in September in Sydney. So berninaacademy.com.au, and yeah, book your place now. I know places are selling, so get in quick and come and join me for lots of fun.